Hi friends, I am Prakash. I am from Kaveri Ford, Mangalore. My star ID is 0019218892. Today I am going to do the comparison of Figo Aspire and Swift Desire. First we know about little bit of Ford company. Ford is a 100 plus year old company, and Ford is the first manufacturer of dual airbags, moving assembly line and hardtop convertibles. Figo Aspire comes with the Aston Martin look with capacitor. It looks premium to the car. Let's come to the global kinetic design. It looks like vehicle is still moving. Wrap around headlamps. It looks massive to the car. Width of the Figo Aspire comes with 1695 mm, whereas the Swift comes with the 16880 mm. Let's compare performance of Swift Desire and Figo Aspire. Figo Aspire comes with the 1.5 with the 100 PS engine with the great fuel efficiency. Another one is petrol engine, that is 1.2 88 PS engine with the great mileage. And another one is automatic engine, that is 1.5 with 112 PS with the dual clutch technology. Swift Desire comes with three types of engine. One is 1.3 75 PS engine, and another one is 1.2 with 84 PS engine. One is automatic engine, that is 1.4 85 PS engine. In performance, Figo Aspire is clear winner against Swift Desire. Figo Aspire comes with best in class wheelbase of 2491 mm, but whereas Swift Desire comes with 2430 mm with lesser legroom. Figo Aspire having best in class ground clearance of 174 mm, but whereas Swift Desire having only 170 mm of ground clearance. Figo Aspire comes with the 359 liters of boot space, but whereas Swift Desire comes with the 315 liters of boot space. So we have a better boot space against Desire. Let's move to the innovative features of Figo Aspire. Aspire having my key features. It limits the top speed and volume control. One more innovative features is sync with AppLink. It's used for hand-free communication and voice command. One more innovative features is Ford My Dock. It's used for mobile, for the navigation or looking for the films and other works. These are the features not available in Swift Desire. Figo Aspire also having first in segment features like 6 airbags, parametric alarm and emergency assist. These features also not available in Swift Desire. Totally, Figo Aspire is a value for money and feature packed car and clear winner against Swift Desire. Thank you.